Hi guys, so today we are doing another summer set and it is sunflowers. So we're starting with Lagoon from Madame Glam. Basically all three nails with sunflowers have got this as the base. I actually did this for a nail art challenge. Newbie nail text, I think it is, on Facebook. Joined a new group. So there's like some nail art challenges, like 6 weeks worth of them. So this was floral, and I wanted to do sunflowers as one of the summer videos anyway. I'm not sure how many more summer videos I'll actually get to do, unfortunately, because all it seems to be is autumn and Halloween on my mind, and I feel like maybe summer has already gone now, especially if you're in the UK. So we're starting off with the dark brown middle of the sunflower. I'm not sure what you call that. And then with a lighter brown, we are just doing the little dots, like really, really small. Just dot, 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 dot. You don't need to flash cure in between because this really doesn't take very long to do, so they don't really have time to blob together. And it doesn't really matter if they do anyway, it sort of adds to the effect of the sunflower anyway. Then we're going to take our yellow shades that we have got. So you basically want like a bright yellow and a mustard yellow, I'd say. I am flash curing these in between just because I don't want them to blend into each other. Blend into each other just yet. Because the mustardy sort of colour is for the leaves that are behind, and the brighter ones are for the leaves, the petals, should I say, in front. I think it's probably easiest to do the bright ones first and then go back and do the mustardy ones that are in the shade afterwards. But here we are. So we're just going round like we're going round on a clock face. We're just going round the middle of the sunflower, adding those pretty, pretty yellow petals. I think that sort of having the different shades of yellow, like I think I even add a little bit of brown into one of the yellows, just like to give it a bit more dimension. I mean, if you don't want super detailed, then it really doesn't matter. You just do what I'm doing now, and that is enough, really. But I really want to win. I don't think I will, because there's loads of people that are better than me, but I would really, really, really like to win. Yeah, I'm not sure if there will be any more summer videos, like I said, because like for these other nail tech challenges, there was like crystal placement, so I've done like a Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs mining sort of gems, like crystals for that. So that's more like a Halloweeny video, I'd say, because I do like the poison apple and stuff as well. And then there's like illusion. So I've done last year all the rage was like, I think it was last year, I don't know, they all blend into one. When the sort of, the ombre nails, but then like with an opposite ombre like at the bottom, or like pattern. So it's sort of like optical illusion ombre all that jazz. So I've done one of those as well. And also the other set was Black Magic. So that's also very Halloweeny. So I feel like we may just go into, I don't know. I really wanted to do some more fruit nails like peaches and cherries. I don't know. We'll see. You might get Halloween. You might get more summer. I don't know. If you want more summer, let me know. So we're just working our way around and just swapping between the bright and the mustard, and then we're going to go infill sort of the back of it a little bit more, just like I'm doing now, just sort of to fill in the emptier looking spaces, because I love how full sunflowers are. They're so lovely, aren't they? Just look how full they are. I have done a little bit of shading, sort of, if you look at it a clock, like sort of 3 o'clock, a little bit of shading at that side there. So I'm just going to go around and do little bits like that. But if you didn't want super detailed, you don't have to bother doing this bit anyway. Just like skip to the stalk, I suppose. I do like sunflowers. My best friend had sunflowers as her wedding flowers. So pretty. I am super ready for autumn now anyway, because I'm a bit annoyed with the mugginess of this summer. Like, it's just feels too humid, and humidity I can only deal with in Florida because you're in Disney. So I do not want humidity in the UK. Thank you very much. So now we're going to do the stalk. It's just going to come down from the middle. It does end up being quite thick, but I mean, sunflower stalks are quite thick, I would say, in general. But I don't know, maybe not as thick as I've made it. I think I've cured that in between, and we're just going in with a lighter shade of the green, and then we'll just sort of blend that in a little bit. Just give it some more dimension, and then have some little leaves coming from the sides of it. Like so. Who else is bored with this muggy summer? Like, it can't just be me. And we're just like going in with the darker just to sort of outline it a little bit more, just because I felt like I lost a bit of the definition there. So we're just going to go in and do the shading just at the sides and where the shadows would be made by the sunflower petals. Just adding a bit more light in as well. Blend that in as best as we can, make it look a bit more realistic. I think I put a bit too much light there, but whatever. And we'll shiny top coat this one. And get it in the lamp. I really like this sunflower, really pretty. Here we have the finished nail. Now I do another one like this, but without the stalk and just a bit bigger, but I don't bother showing that on here because what's the point? So this next one has them coming from the sides. So one from the top right of the nail and the bottom left as well. So we're just doing the brown bits again. I mean, really, this is all very samey. Not sure what I can say about this. We're just doing the the light brown dotting in the middle of them again. Oh, no, I've clearly forgotten to do that bit. We're going straight in with the petals. This actually took a lot less time than the other one. I know, because only half of it is on there. You might be thinking, obviously. But also, I think I just went with the flow with this one a bit more. Like, did more, like, maybe bigger. Yeah, they do look bigger, don't they? And then just filled them in. So it felt like it flowed a little bit more. I don't know if you know what I mean. But like, definitely going for sort of the foreground flowers and then the background after. Definitely felt like it flowed better and made it a quicker, sort of more efficient sunflower. But still just as good, I feel. Still just as pretty. So I think just gonna brighten those ones up a little bit more, just because they felt a little bit dull. So just gonna brighten those up. I think I'm using Madame Glam's Fries Before Guys, if I remember rightly. I don't think I showed any of the colours in this one, just because I wanted to get it done. And I mean, it doesn't need to be a specific yellow, does it? You just want a yellow and a mustard yellow. So we're just going to go over those. Then we're going to do exactly the same on the bottom one. Oh, I'm so tired. I can't stop yawning today. Yeah. Like, I tried not to overlap these. I don't think I really meant to do the top one as big, because it didn't seem like I had enough room to do all the flowers for the bottom one. But I think it still worked out like a nice sunflower nail anyway. So we're just going to go in with the darker colours for the sunflower petals behind. Just fill them in the middle. Oh, it's been such a long day today. So tired. Excuse my yawning. I think this voiceover has been done over several days. So it has been a very long day. Oh, yay. So we will cure that. And I'm just going over just with another coat to make it stand out more. I don't know if I mentioned it, that I was doing this design for the Newbie Nail Tech Challenge on Facebook. I can't remember if I said that at the beginning of the video. I think I did. I'm so tired, I'm sorry. But I've got one more to do, because there's like 6 weeks of challenges, and I've got one more to do this weekend before it closes, because I really want to enter all. Otherwise your entries don't count. So I have to enter all 6 weeks, I believe. So we're just adding shading just to a couple of just to give it a bit more depth and some definition. Oh my gosh, I can't stop yawning now. Also, I hope you're enjoying my Harry Potter nails, by the way. I just love seeing the little Bertie Potts jelly beans. So cute. Right, so I'm going back and doing the little dots in the middle of the sunflower. I don't know what they're called. Like I should have done before I started the petals, but it doesn't really matter either way. And then that is that one finished, I believe. So we're going to shiny top coat that one. Look at the prettiness. Get that in the lamp. Now we have that one, and this one is just gonna be a simple glittery gold. It's honeysuckle honeysuckle from Dali Artistic. So it's like a really rich gold, not sparkly gold, but like shimmery gold. And then we'll shiny top coat that one. And we are going over with a light elegance shade for this other nail to finish off the 5 nails. We'll shiny top coat that one, because I just wanted a glittery blue and a sort of shimmery gold in with the rest of the sunflowers. And there is that finished. Here is the set. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you like the sunflowers, if you're going to try them out yourself. If you want, give me a like and subscribe. I would totally appreciate it. Bye!